I'm Carl Anthony with AutoSens TV, and we're here at the AutoWorld Museum for AutoSens Brussels 2019. We're speaking today with Alexander Telle, who is the General Manager of ACM for Acktar. And Alexander, so good of you to join us today.
Thank you very much.
Tell us a little bit about Acktar. Give us an overview of the company.
All right, so Acktar is specialized in very black and deep black coatings and coated films that are typically used in optical systems to suppress stray light or to absorb laser power.
So we were talking off camera about the relevance of this product, the relevance of your product portfolio. Why is it relevant to ADAS systems?
So in nearly every optical system, so in camera systems as well as in near-infrared sensor systems, you have scattered light, stray light coming from the outside or being generated from the inside of these systems that destroys either your image quality or your signal-to-noise ratio. So using our ultra-black coatings can enhance this situation with absorbing this scattered light.
Which kind of flows to our next question, Alexander. What are some of the challenges, what are some of the problems that your product addresses specifically for your customers?
So the development shows that you need to detect more and more details in harsh environments, so in low visibility environments, in fog, dust, rain, etc., etc. So, and if you have to deal with this outside factors that you cannot change, you don't want to deal with your internal factors that are influencing in a bad way your system. And this is where we come into play and can help system integrators, developers and manufacturers of optical systems and sensors to enhance their system, to challenge these new and harder environmental conditions.
Let's talk about your customers for a moment. Who are your customers? Tell us a little bit about them.
So our origin is not in the automotive. So we are coming from the typical technical optics. So it's lens manufacturers, camera manufacturers. We are into medical systems like endoscopy. We are into laser machining manufacturers. We are into industrial security sensing, like for industrial sensor applications, near-infrared sensor applications.
So who should look into your product line? If a customer is interested in meeting with you, who would be interested in this technology? Who would be interested in it?
So we are looking to find players that are dealing with the hardware. So we are absolutely a hardware-driven company. We are not into any software thing. So really looking into companies that are developing sensors, hardware-based optical sensors.
And the display that you have here at AutoSens, you have a number of things for attendees to see. If an attendee comes to visit you, what do you have on the table to show them?
First, we want to have everyone understood what we are doing, those deep black coatings. And we can apply them either directly to a discrete component, to an optomechanical component on the one side, or we can apply it to a film substrate in a roll-to-roll process. And this film can easily be cut into shape, into customized shapes, and applied to the camera housing or sensor housing directly at the customer side.
And so for customers who may not be familiar with what you're doing, but they learn about you for the first time, these ultra black coatings, do they protect the components? Are they meant for protection as well?
They are not meant for a mechanical or environmental protection. They are really optical performance enhancing coatings.
So performance enhancing coatings, that's the message that you're giving to engineers.
Absolutely, that's right.
So in the last few minutes that we have, is there anything important that you would like to add? Anything about the company that would be important for people to know? Again, maybe people getting to meet you for the first time.
Yes, I also want to say that not only the absorption of stray light is a topic especially in the automotive industry, but also the calibration of cameras and sensor could be a topic, and you can use our deep black coatings also to calibrate your system.
Well, from all of us here at AutoSens TV, Alexander, we want to thank you for being part of the event here in Brussels, and we want to wish you the best of luck going forward.
Thank you very much, and thanks for having me.
Speaking today with Alexander from Acktar. For more AutoSens TV, like, subscribe, and share.